Just mention about your notice, that's all.
Yes, yes, sir, because I will take 2-3 minutes, sir. Sir, I have moved a notice for breach of privilege of this House against Susri Mohua Moitra, Honorable MP, while speaking on the motion of thanks on President address. She has made some aspersion. She has cast some aspersion with respect to the conduct of judges.
He's just mentioning.
With respect to the conduct of judge.
He is only just mentioning the notice.
Judgment.
Just mention the contents of the notice.
So now question is whether with respect to the conduct of the judge can be discussed before this floor of the House or not. Kindly see, I would like to refer Article 121 of the Constitution of India. Only the 3 lines I would like to read. No discussion shall take place in Parliament with respect to the conduct in discharge of his duties. Now, sir, if we see this article, this 4-line, these words, these are 4 ingredients and 4 expressions, and the discussion is completely prohibited in Parliament with respect to the conduct of the judge, conduct of any judge, any judge, and no allegation can be leveled against the judge, whether he is a sitting or whether he is an ex-judge. It will make no difference so far as the wording of the Article 121 is concerned.
Yes.
Now, kindly see, so far in discharge of duties is concerned, because she has also referred.
Please,
while
please.
About the judgment,
You know not.
just a minute, sir. Just
No. That matter has already been discussed. Your notice is received.
No, but I'm just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Kindly permit me. So in discharge of duties, so it includes with respect to the sitting as well as the ex-judges, and it is no doubt the right of the member to speak. It is privilege of the member. But at the same time, it is curtailed by the Article 121 of the Constitution of India. If he speaks against the mandate of the Article 121 of the Constitution of India, then it is a breach of privilege.
Yes.
So she has conducted herself.
No, Chaudhary ji, please.
Contact to and not taking. Just a minute, sir. Not.
You are only referring about the notice.
Just a minute, sir. And not only this is no doubt. I understand that it has been expunged. But it will make no difference because she has categorically stated, and this statement was made by her deliberately, and she has stated that it should shown on the Lok Sabha TV. So she was not concerned about whether it should be expunged or not. So these are it is case of the breach of privilege, and I would also like to make it on the Twitter handle and the YouTube. The same thing is there. So simply because it has been expunged from the record of the Parliament will make no difference.
No, please.
Because
the notice is under the consideration of the Honorable Speaker.
Because the breach has been committed, sir.
Nishikant Dubey ji. Nishikant.